Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2008 Ford F550 we have for sale. It's a two-wheel drive, 6.4 power stroke diesel. It's got 140,000 miles on it. It's got an IMT 11-foot bed with a 7,500 pound crane, hydraulic outriggers, work lights, hydraulic air compressor. This truck come out of California. It's a one-owner truck. Has no rust. Super clean truck. I'm assuming they probably, I'm not sure what they could have had in there. I don't really see a welder unless you cut that open. I'm not sure. Got a slide there, got some little slide boxes here. Work lights, crane, up, side to side, winch down, extension out, extension in. Boom down. Winch on up. Alright, turn your compressor on here. Assuming they had a power inverter or something there. Nice toolboxes. Really look like they've never been used. If you're interested in this truck, give us a call, 256-310-6852. Our website is heavymetalauto.com. You can go on there and check out more pictures of it. It's a really nice truck, rust-free truck, really clean. It's got the nice equipment. Everything's hydraulic. Good miles, good tires. Tires are like 99% tread on it. give us a call. If you're wanting to get this truck transported, figure around $1.50 a mile. Depends on where you're at. Can be cheaper, can be more. It just depends where you're located. Walk around here. All right, thanks for watching. 256-310-6852.